Chris van Wangenheim loved using unique models who challenged the typical Californian blonde girl that was most often used in the 70s. He seemed to always be looking for models with lots of character, such as Andy Warhol's L'Amour underground film co-stars Donna Jordan and Jane Force. He made dramatic portraits of Bianca Jagger, Grace Jones, and Diana Ross. Chris van Wangenheim was one of those photographers who could make a model's career. The supermodel Gia Carangi was one of those. Iconic makeup artist Sandy Linter attributes this image to be the starting point of Gia's career in 1978 on a shoot for Italian Bazaar. She shared with us that he looked at Gia and he nodded to her, and she nodded back to him, and she let one whole side of her dress go down. What she said to us was, "When I saw that she did that, I knew she's going to be a big star."